Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the float shock effect to your videos in a CapCut mobile. So in here, what you need to do is add the video that you want to edit and then copy or duplicate the video. So click on duplicate and click on one of the video and make it as overlay and remove the background of the overlay. So go to the remove background and I'm going to just use the auto removal. So after the background is removed, just click on the check icon, go back and go to the video effect. So click on effects, video effects, and swipe until you find the distortion category, and then just find the float shock effect. This one, click on the effect. You can adjust it as you like. Don't forget to adjust the length. Click on object and choose to apply it to the overlay. So this will be the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.